Are you tired of trying every diet under the sun and still not seeing results? Imagine shedding 30 kg and transforming your life for good. If you're ready to learn the secrets of effective and sustainable weight loss, you're in the right place. Let's dive into a step-by-step guide that will take you from frustration to success. Understanding weight loss. Weight loss revolves around creating a caloric deficit, which means consuming fewer calories than your body needs to maintain weight. This deficit forces the body to utilize stored fat for energy, leading to weight loss over time. It's essential to understand that not all calories are created equal. The quality of the calories consumed can significantly impact weight loss success. Nutrient-dense foods, rich in vitamins, minerals, and other essential nutrients, support overall health and enhance metabolic efficiency, making it easier to lose weight. Additionally, understanding the role of metabolism, how your body converts food into energy, is crucial. Age, sex, genetic makeup, and muscle mass influence your metabolic rate, affecting how quickly you can lose weight. Metabolism plays a pivotal role in weight loss, as it determines the number of calories your body burns at rest. A higher metabolic rate means more calories are burned throughout the day, aiding weight loss. Incorporating strength training exercises can boost metabolism, as muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat tissue. Moreover, staying active throughout the day, such as taking walks or doing light activities, can prevent the metabolic rate from slowing down. It's also important to note that drastic calorie cuts can backfire, leading to muscle loss and a subsequent drop in metabolic rate, which can stall weight loss. Setting your goals. Setting clear and achievable goals is a crucial first step in your weight loss journey. Start by determining your target weight and time frame, ensuring these goals are realistic and healthy. Losing 0.5 to 1 kg per week is a sustainable approach that reduces the risk of regaining the weight. Utilize the SMART criteria: specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, to create goals that provide direction and motivation. For instance, instead of a vague aim like, "I want to lose weight," opt for a specific goal such as, "I want to lose 10 kg in 3 months by following a balanced diet and exercising 5 times a week." Tracking your progress is essential to stay on course and make necessary adjustments. Use a journal, app, or spreadsheet to record your weight, measurements, food intake, and exercise routines. Regular check-ins, whether weekly or bi-weekly, help you stay accountable and celebrate small milestones, which can boost your morale. Remember, losing 30 kg is a marathon, not a sprint. Patience and consistency are essential, as is being kind to yourself during setbacks. By having clear, manageable goals and a system to monitor your progress, you lay a solid foundation for successful weight loss. Nutrition and diet. Designing a balanced diet plan is crucial for sustainable weight loss. A well-rounded diet includes the right balance of macronutrients, proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, along with essential micronutrients like vitamins and minerals. Proteins are vital for muscle repair and growth. Carbohydrates provide energy, and healthy fats support various bodily functions. Incorporating a variety of fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, whole grains, and healthy fats ensures you get all the necessary nutrients. Portion control and mindful eating are essential strategies to avoid overeating. Mindful eating involves paying full attention to the eating experience and recognizing hunger and fullness cues, which can prevent unnecessary snacking and overindulgence. Creating a few sample meal plans can be beneficial to make this transition easier. For instance, a balanced breakfast might include oatmeal topped with fresh berries and a side of Greek yogurt, while lunch could be a mixed green salad with grilled chicken, avocado, and a light vinaigrette. Dinner might feature a piece of baked salmon with quinoa and steamed vegetables. Snacks should be healthy and satisfying, like a handful of nuts, a piece of fruit, or vegetable sticks with hummus. Staying hydrated is crucial for weight loss, as thirst is often mistaken for hunger. Drinking water before meals can also help control appetite. You set a strong foundation for achieving your weight loss goals by prioritizing a nutritious diet and making mindful choices. Exercise and physical activity. Creating an effective workout routine is crucial for losing 30 kg, as it helps burn calories and improves overall health and fitness. An ideal exercise plan should include cardiovascular exercises, strength training, and flexibility work. Cardio exercises like running, cycling, or swimming are excellent for burning calories and improving heart health. On the other hand, strength training helps build muscle, which can increase your metabolic rate and aid in long-term weight maintenance. Including exercises like weightlifting, resistance band workouts, or bodyweight exercises can be beneficial. Flexibility and mobility exercises, such as yoga or stretching routines, are essential to prevent injuries and improve overall physical function. Sample workout plans can help structure your exercise routine and ensure you're targeting all necessary areas. Starting with 3 days of cardio and 2 days of strength training per week can be effective for beginners. As your fitness level improves, you can gradually increase the intensity and duration of your workouts. It's essential to listen to your body and avoid overtraining, which can lead to injuries and burnout. Lifestyle changes. Adopting healthy lifestyle changes is crucial for sustainable weight loss and overall well-being. One of the most significant factors is ensuring adequate sleep. Research has shown that poor sleep can disrupt hormones related to hunger and appetite, leading to increased cravings and overeating. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support your weight loss goals. Additionally, managing stress is equally important. Chronic stress can lead to emotional eating and weight gain due to releasing cortisol, a hormone that promotes fat storage. Incorporating stress relief techniques such as meditation, deep breathing exercises, yoga, or hobbies that you enjoy can significantly impact your weight loss journey. Building healthy habits is another essential aspect of lifestyle changes. Start by setting a consistent routine for meals and workouts, which can help create a sense of structure and discipline. Small, incremental changes, such as taking the stairs instead of the elevator, walking more throughout the day, or reducing screen time, can add up over time and contribute to weight loss. Avoiding common pitfalls, such as skipping meals or relying on fad diets, is vital. These approaches are often unsustainable and can lead to rebound weight gain. Instead, focus on creating a balanced lifestyle that you can maintain long-term, ensuring that the weight you lose stays off for good. Monitoring your progress. Monitoring your progress is crucial to any weight loss journey as it allows you to track your achievements and make necessary adjustments. Weight trackers, food journals, and fitness apps can provide valuable insights into your daily habits and progress toward your goals. Regular check-ins not only help you stay accountable, but also enable you to identify patterns in your eating and exercise routines. You can celebrate milestones by reviewing your progress periodically, whether shedding a few kilograms or consistently following your workout plan. These checkpoints also serve as motivation boosters, reinforcing your commitment to healthier choices and highlighting areas where you may need to tweak your approach for better results. In addition to tracking physical changes, monitoring your emotional and mental well-being is equally important. Weight loss journeys can be challenging, and it's normal to experience fluctuations in motivation and mood. Reflecting on how you feel throughout the process can help you understand triggers for overeating or skipping workouts, empowering you to develop strategies to overcome obstacles. Celebrating small victories, such as improved energy levels or increased endurance, reinforces positive behaviors and strengthens your determination to reach your ultimate weight loss goal. Losing 30 kg requires a systematic approach combining dietary changes, regular exercise, and consistent progress monitoring. Begin by setting realistic goals and creating a personalized plan with a balanced diet, rich in nutrients, and low in processed foods. Focus on building a caloric deficit through portion control and mindful eating habits. Regular physical activity such as cardio, strength training, and flexibility exercises boost metabolism and burn calories effectively. Track your progress using tools like weight trackers and food journals to stay motivated and make necessary adjustments. Adopting healthy lifestyle habits, managing stress, and seeking professional support can further enhance your chances of achieving your weight loss goal of 30 kg. Following the tips and strategies outlined in this video, you're taking proactive steps toward a healthier lifestyle. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable fitness, nutrition, and wellness content. Hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to never miss our latest updates.